In a shocking turn of events, Hezbollah, the Lebanese militant group known for its stringent security measures, suffered a significant blow. Customized Apollo pagers used by the organization for secure communication turned deadly. Hidden explosives within these devices detonated, causing a devastating number of casualties and widespread property damage. This incident sent shockwaves through Lebanon and beyond, raising questions about how such a sophisticated attack could penetrate Hezbollah's defenses. The attack, unprecedented in its method and target, exposed a vulnerability in an organization often perceived as impenetrable. The incident served as a stark reminder of the ever-present threat faced by Hezbollah, even within its perceived strongholds. The attack also highlighted the lengths to which adversaries are willing to go to disrupt the group's operations. Hezbollah, battle-hardened and security-conscious, maintains an intricate security apparatus. Their protocols are legendary, designed to safeguard their leadership, infrastructure and communication networks. They employ a multi-layered approach, combining advanced technology with human intelligence to thwart potential threats. Their communication systems in particular are tightly controlled, utilizing encryption and secure channels to prevent interception or compromise. The use of seemingly innocuous devices like pagers underscores their emphasis on covert and secure communication. This makes the recent attack all the more perplexing, as it managed to breach these defenses, exposing a vulnerability that has sent ripples of concern through the organization. The sophistication of the attack suggests a deep understanding of Hezbollah's security protocols and the ability to circumvent them. The explosives used were likely highly sophisticated, miniaturized to fit within the confines of the pager casing. Their placement suggests a detailed knowledge of the device's assembly and the ability to tamper with them without raising suspicion. Several possibilities emerge: infiltration of the supply chain, interception and modification of the devices before reaching Hezbollah, or even the existence of a mole within the organization itself. Each scenario presents its own set of challenges and implications, pointing to a well-planned and executed operation. Section 4. The Hidden Hand, Pointing Fingers in the Middle East. While no group has claimed responsibility for the attack, suspicion immediately fell on Israel. The Jewish state has a long and complex history with Hezbollah, engaging in numerous covert operations against the organization. Their intelligence capabilities, particularly in the realm of technology and infiltration, are well documented. Furthermore, Israel has a vested interest in weakening Hezbollah, viewing the group as a significant threat to its national security. The attack on their communication network, if orchestrated by Israel, would serve as a significant blow to Hezbollah's operational capabilities and a powerful message of deterrence. Section 5. Shifting Sands. The attack's impact on regional stability. The attack on Hezbollah has far-reaching implications for the already volatile Middle East. It underscores the escalating tensions between Israel and Hezbollah, raising fears of a renewed conflict. The incident also has the potential to destabilize Lebanon, a country grappling with political and economic turmoil. Hezbollah's response to the attack remains to be seen. The group, known for its calculated retaliation, will likely seek to identify and punish those responsible. This could lead to a cycle of violence and retribution, further inflaming tensions in the region. The international community has expressed concern over the attack, urging all parties to exercise restraint and prevent a wider escalation of the conflict.